Okay, what's up, y'all? Here is a peach plant update. Well, peach tree. Look, I gotta back off of them. I can't stand too close because they growing, okay? They are growing. If you follow me on TikTok, you could go back and look at, I guess I have to put them in a little set so you could see the progress of the peach tree update. So I'll work on that, putting them where y'all can get to all of them at the same time and look at them. But about a month ago, I put whole bananas in here in each pot, because these are the pots that not only had peach trees growing in them, but these tomato plants back here were starting to grow inside of them. So I had to transplant them into their own space. So I gave them whole bananas to kind of restore some nutrients back to them. And they just been growing. They've been doing really well. So there's one. It's branching off into 3. And all of the green stem is new growth. So it starts out green and then it begins to transition into a brown color. That just shows you how much it's growing. So it's doing really well. I'm kind of thrilled because I don't know where this hole came from. It wasn't here last night because I was out here with these and that wasn't there. And I turned the pot around because I want the water to flow out a different way. It's not low enough to fill this up when I'm watering. So I want to direct the flow of that water when it comes down. But I turned it around and that wasn't there. It's not in any of the other ones. So I don't know. And it's like a perfect circle of whatever was there. So that's odd. But yeah, the peach trees are growing. If you're growing trees, it's just a reminder it's fall. So if you're doing this for the first time and you see the leaves start to fall off, it's fall, okay? Don't be freaked out. Their leaves are going to come off as the seasons change. I did that last year and I thought I was finna lose them because I'm like, oh no, it's cold outside. The leaves are falling off. And then the Lord was like, look around. The leaves are falling everywhere. It's fall. So I was like, oh, yeah. So yeah, don't be freaked out when your leaves start turning colors, because they're transitioning into fall. And they're going to fall off. Okay? Don't be alarmed. It's all right. So that's my peach tree update. Y'all stay tuned and I love you.